The insurance industry is in a position where it's growing. It has got the potential to grow really very substantially, particularly the area of insurance that we're in, which is specialist insurance. We have got a big task ahead of us to modernise the London market. Bringing the Fintech industry together with the London insurance market is an obvious thing to do. On the one hand, it gives the Fintech industry an opportunity of looking at us as potential customers and business, and on the other hand, it gives us the opportunity to make sure that the work we are doing in terms of modernising, we get the full input from them.
Competitive threat now comes from massive global businesses who are already touching billions of consumers every single day, who won't stop and think about what they're doing to your industry. So if you think of the role of the market, of Lloyd as the regulator here, and saying, how do we create the right tension between carrot and stick? How do we create the right environment to say, we have to move on or we're going to get eaten for lunch, but we also have to move on at a pace that doesn't completely fundamentally change the way we've done things before.
It's time to throw open the doors. It's time to let the innovators in.
The rate of innovation in any organization is almost always inversely proportional to the complexity of the organization or the industry.
Every bank was talking about blockchain technology, so we said we should create a solution and see where we can take it.
So many of the things that you think about when you listen about blockchain technology on its own is true, but there's a much wider field here of mutual distributed ledgers, and you can build what you want.
We see a lot of established insurance organizations displaying strong appetite for technologies like telematics, which is the sort of technology that we develop, with a view not so much to disrupt, but probably to reinvent some insurance products.
We really are going to see some significant innovation in our market here in London, both on the product side. I think insurance itself is going to be reinvented over the next 5 years, and also on the way we process business.
We can absolutely get to an in tech relatively quickly. It's not about inventing brand new things all the time. Sometimes it's about saying, here's a problem, let's talk to people who've solved problems elsewhere, and how can we apply it to what we're dealing with here.
If there's anything that we can measure this evening by in terms of success, it's that we have some concrete actions that we can take forward and build into our TOM, our target operating model, for the future of the London insurance market.